Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to create a project in ClickUp. So in ClickUp you don't have the project creation button, but you can create like so, list or space. So basically the space is containing lists. So you can create a project like a space where you have multiple lists of to-do lists, or you can create just a list that will be the project itself. So I will show you right now. Press create, then press space, and this space could be your project. So you will have to name it project number 1, add the description, and also press continue. Now press create space, and as you can see the project 1 space is created, and you can create multiple lists in that space. So just task 1, task 2, and as you can see they can go ahead and set the status to complete, and this one is in progress. So this is how you create a project in ClickUp. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.